Alam mo yung may laman, iba sa may alam. At alamang na ang laman yung may laman sa may alam. Ba't di mo maintindihan? Tagalog lang naman, Tagalog lang naman. Ba't di mo maintindihan? Ba't di mo maintindihan? Di ako magtataka, iba ang utak ng baliw. At sa kataka.
This is the life of a true MC. Put your hands up. You don't believe anything we say. You should come around this way. This is the life of a true MC, and a true MC don't play. If you don't believe anything we say, you should come around this way.
If you will overstylish, back with the world, just to fashion is selling the fashion, rapping the will. Big Marshall with the language arts, language full of martial arts, the martial language uses art to question one, start a fight. Fuck it up out of my mind, coloring out of the lines, still ain't got no color when I write the lines, you call them fun. Beat up MCs and season, they eat this MC, and I got no reason believing how people see in the minute. Can you either see the demeanor, this Filipina, I beat at the beat in the verses, mean I'm a league, it just me. So takbo at Pilipinas, sa tubong mga ugat, isanayin ako, ipapakita pag nagsusurat. Yung mga linya nga hintarong, pribadagin paglaong, kaya ako na panahon, ako nga ng mga lingkadong. Kung ano mang lingwahe, para kaya kong tapusin sa akin, mga para lagi isang aking pinakain.
Yo, this is the life of a true MC.
That's why I rap my culture. 3 stars in the sun, Philippines, screaming from the top of your lungs, like you love it. Because we all in the public now, thanks to Mike Swift and Manny Pacquiao. And I was raised to appreciate it. Thanks to my grandma, yeah, my Lola, I'm forever great, cause she made us that way. As my cousins, my grandpa made me a man, get me that first job, pushing the pan. And even though he fired me, yeah, taught me a lesson. Every Sunday I go to church and cast that play. Yeah, food is important. We all need to get away to take it apart, and we always hit skill and you know we go. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, man?
Yo, this is the life of a true MC and a true
without any further instructions, I'm calling abduction. Wasn't prepared, I wasn't aware, so not an excuse. Still I was there, clearly being a part of the never production. Turning away, serving my faith, don't give a fuck what none of these fakes thinking about me. What does it take? Learning to be patient, learning to pray. All of this and more, I'm learning to be the port of Philippines, feeling too, it's the feelings who do this. Do this with either do the conquer people like Judas. Lucifer, let me kite it up that news for ya, I got news for your people, we crushing you and your people. From top of you is an equal to the top of the shop. Drop to top, as long as genuine props. Giving it a new place, spitting that free, even it. Aaron that is spitting like a Beretta, I'm going off the top, keeping it high. Philippines, let's go!
This is the life of a true MC, and a true MC don't play. This is the life of a true MC, and a true MC don't play. If you don't believe anything we say, you should come around this way.
I strolled out the terminal. It's okay to cry, to say it's tears of joy. From so shout disanoid, holler back at your boy. We gon' call it to the bronze, they gon' kill the noise. Cats cross on my path, gon' be destroyed. On beats, I'm a pro with the lyrical. I'm so far underground and commercial too. My people put me on, so I'm setting it off. Call me Viagra, aggravated, I can never be soft. I'm a tour for my crew kid, reppin' them hard. It's my 9 to 5, so consider me boss. I'm ahead of the past, I'm ahead of the last.